Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Both of those things do really help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a great little toy. It's perfect for indoors on a rainy day, keep kids entertained, and it is called the Swingin Shoes. So essentially it is a horseshoe throwing game that hooks up to basically any door frame size. So let's go ahead and open this up, see what all you get, and kind of look at it. So we'll first open up the box here. Get all the various pieces out. The box is empty. Now, what's great about these, the horseshoes are rubber. So when you throw them, they're not going to be breaking anything unless you really chunk them really hard. But it is designed for indoors, so they kept that in mind. Now you are going to get 4 of each color. You're going to get 4 orange and 4 of these neon greens. There is a nice little bag here that will store all the pieces in. Of course, you're going to get a little instruction sheet on how to assemble this and hook it up to your door, but it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. And the goal is to get them on these various platforms. Each platform is going to be a different kind of rating here as how many points you get. So we'll screw this on for the bottom. This one is 1 point, which is obviously the largest. Then you just screw this on. The middle platform is going to be 2 points. Top piece on here, which this is going to be the hardest one to get on, which is going to be 3 points. Then we will screw on the very top piece. And this is basically the contraption here. Now you're going to have the door frame device, which has a little rubber band here that makes a tension. This pulls open and it'll snap to the top of the door frame. And then you're going to have a little string here, which is what's going to hold it all through. So you're going to want to twist it. Let's see what the instructions say here. There we go. So you're going to kind of unscrew this. We want to run it through the top little hole. Can thread it through. There we go. I know I'm out of camera view here. Kind of show you what that looks like. There we go. So, and this is going to adjust basically the height. Put this back in here. And then we'll line it up. You're going to make sure that the string comes through the little slot here. There we go. And then it's nice and tight. And then you can continue to twist that. So there we go. And that is it, set up. Once you get it to the length that you want, you put it on the door frame, and then you try to get it on the platforms. It's as simple as that. So, like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out for yourself, and feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond, and until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.